So today in Nasarawa, we are not just mourning the demise of a son of Nasarawa State. We are mourning the demise of a man who had great potentials in terms of what he could have contributed towards the development of Nasarawa State. To pay this respect to you and to condole you. Condole the family of the senior Senator Akwashiki. Condole also the good people of your state, his senatorial district particularly. And to say, may God Almighty have mercy upon him, forgive him of any earthly sin, if any, and accept his soul in heaven.
So for you to be here with everybody, it means so much to us. So, and I also plead with His Excellency the Senate President, if there is any other special thing you can do to the family, it would be a wonderful thing to do, because the family actually would need all the assistance that they require, but the state will not shy away from her responsibility.
For us in the Minority Caucus, it's a very, very sad moment. On behalf of the Minority Caucus, I want to sincerely thank the Senate President for making our time to be here with the full company of the Senate and Senate leadership. And the Governor of Nasarawa State, we want to thank you very, very sincerely for everything that you have done, the ones we have seen and the ones that other people have said.
It is in times like this that we need to show solidarity with one another. From all that has been said about this senator, it's indeed a painful loss. From all indications, he was a man who had great potentials for further leadership, and to lose him at this point in time, it's quite a tragedy. But
the Senate President also visited the family of the late Senator Akwashiki to express the condolences of the National Assembly, describing the disease.
The question you should ask is, why so much interest? Why so much of love for only one person who died? The reason is because of the personality of your late husband. Akwashiki was a very straightforward politician. His yes was yes and his no was no. So today we are here to tell you that you are not alone. It's very rare for a senator to depart and for a governor to take on the activities in terms of both the financial and the time and everything devoted to the burial auspices of the outgoing senator. So, sir, this is very rare.